Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang kembali di channel YouTube Aji Saka Galuh ya teman-teman. Kita berada di wisata alam Posong, letaknya di Desa Tlahab, Kecamatan Kledung, Kabupaten Temanggung ya teman-teman ya. Mari kita berwisata.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. never have